I'm a traveler. I am all over the country. I cover 7 states. My role is to help take care of the buildings, to make sure that it's safe and secure for you as a resident, to make sure you have the things you need. We want to make sure you feel safe here. You don't have to worry about anything. Mr. Larry, he's going to fix whatever goes wrong.
No matter what goes wrong, what you tell Larry, and he can do it. Okay, thank you, Larry.
You're welcome.
Oh, you're a good kid.
When I first started in the business many, many years ago, an assistant of mine had said, "That's not my job." That was the wrong thing to tell me. How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm doing good, I'm Ricky. I said, everything here is your job. We're here for the residents, we're here to take care of the residents. Well, it's looking beautiful here, brother. Look forward to a good visit today with you, brother.
I am too. The first time I met him would have been in 2009 when he came in to do an inspection. He's just so helpful, always helpful. I hope one day I'm looked upon like he is.
Looks like we've been doing our generator on a regular basis. Looks great, man. Thank you for that. Well, Larry, you know, he's got the right feel. He's got the right heart for caring for the people. You can see it in his relationship as he walks around. They see that he's not only just doing work for them, but he cares about them. He has a compassion for them.
It's kind of cool that I'm the person that everybody comes to, and it's pretty much for everything. It goes well beyond the building.
Y'all gonna have some bingo, huh?
Yes, sir.
All right, can I join?
Sure, you're gonna get beat though.
Am I gonna get beat?
Uh-huh, I'm sure.
All right. Well, let's see if that really happens. Small things to a resident is a big thing. And to me, then it becomes a big thing. You want 3? All right. It doesn't matter what it is. How about you, sir?
Carol, I think it's
I'm gonna do everything I can to take care of their needs. When I enter in a building, I feel the feeling you have of love and you know that you're at the right place.
B10!
It really brings life to people when they realize how really meaningful that is. That comes from here, it doesn't come from here.
People won't always remember who you are or what you've done, but they'll always remember the way you made them feel.